Have you been searching for an okay sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2020 Subaru Outback Touring in autumn green. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, roof rack, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 11.6-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 4051A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.